16 foot. This is 2016 HINO 268. It's Californian compliant truck. The dev system is working. We just put this down. It's not brand new, but it looks good. Also, it has a hook. I like for containers. No rust. Is ready to work, no lights, no leaks, no problems. It has a HINO engine and LC transmission. Okay, let's see the inside the truck. It's nice, clean. You see the seats. So it has 190,000 miles. What else? Allison transmission, I said. This is for a dam. $26,000 GVW. More info on the description. Gonna be. Let me show you the down. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you.
So Jose now going to show how it's working. Yeah, how it's done.
Okay, so this is to lift the back of it, open up the back gate. This opens up the the leg right here for the door. That's manual. Come in. And this right here is the PTO. The PTO is running, and it has another leverage on this side. This leverage will go up, and then it starts going up. Is it? No. It's going up. That's it.
You have to put it down. It's gonna
Put it down to go like this. You push the lever back, and it goes down, it goes down itself.
perfect. Okay. Are there any specific things that you want to talk about?
Nah, not really. It's just pretty simple.
Okay.
It's just the arm to open up the back. And that's it. It also has a towing hitch.
Oh yeah.
So it has a towing hitch if you want to pull something.
Yeah.
And it has the plug for the light.
Thank you.
It has the D-rings for the for the chains and stuff. So if you want to pull a trailer, a backhoe, or a bobcat, you can go ahead and pull it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jose.
You're welcome.